Hello everyone, welcome back for another Anything Goes Saturday. Today this month, I'm playing with the Steampunk Graffiti Uniquely Creative Kit. I want to bust this kit. It's been sitting around, I've been putting it off, and I said, nope, it's time to play. So I pulled it out again. From the kit, I've got these two die cuts. I chose this little guy and I cut him out from the sheet. I just did a square. This is the pattern paper from the sheet. And this is my sentiment that I cut out using the die to match the sheet. And then I have some black cardstock and some white cardstock. So I'm going to get started with this. I don't know what it's going to look like or anything else, but we'll find out. All right, this is going to go on here. I don't know why I turned that black upside down. There's no reason to. It's the same on both sides. Not like this. Let me just kind of move this up here. Depending on the time of day I film, I sometimes have a hard time seeing the black. And it's an overcast day. Now I'm going to go ahead and put this on my card base. So that might have something to do with it. It's not as bright as it normally is. Okay. This is going to go on here. Like so. I'm going to pull it up here so I can see it a little better. Okay, this little guy I'm going to put right about here. Now, I want this piece, but I want it to kind of come off the side. So you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to take my scissors and I'm going to cut it straight across. This piece will hang out over here. So let me add it, and I may have to add it with double-sided tape. So let me kind of finagle this. I want this, it's got to look like it's continuing. That works. All right. That piece I'm going to put on with double-sided tape. This one, I had a piece in there, but it doesn't matter. Let me get my double-sided tape to put that piece on with. And the only thing you have to be careful is to make sure that the tips don't stick out. All right, now this piece I can put on using my regular tape, and I want it to go at an angle, but not too far. Oops, too far. All right, let me move it down some. Now, this one might need to come up and be moved some also. I don't want it to stick out past the card base. I'm going to move this one. There we go. And then I'm just going to stick this one up here like so, so it sticks out. Let me put a little tape on it. And again, I don't want it to go past my card. There. All right, so I've got that straight. Let me get some foam squares here. I'm just going to put them all over. I probably could have used my big ones, not certain where it is. Now I am not putting any on this tape. It won't stick to it. it'll come off, and that's not good. So let's just put these all over. Definitely should have used the big ones. Oh well. Now I'll find my pokey tool. Get all these backs off. Okay. That one didn't come off. This one's not off. Okay, got them all off. Now I can put this on my card, like so. Make sure it's on straight. There. And I'm going to put this on right there, and I'm going to put a little tiny couple of these on the end here, and I'm just going to use regular tape on this end because it's going to be there, and I don't want it to stick up higher than it should. Okay. Probably could have put one there, but that's okay because this might be higher than that, and that way it won't kind of cave in. So there's today's idea. And I pulled out some of my grunge looking stamps and just kind of stamped it using colors from here. I hope you enjoyed this Anything Goes Saturday. Make sure you check out Vicky's channel to see what she did. I need to find some ways to use this paper because I'm struggling. Or even some stamp sets, that might help. I might have to go searching. Thanks for watching. Have a super Saturday. Bye.